So why is my home insured for so much money? By the end of the video, you're going to know the factors that go into determining your insured value compared to the market value. So when you sell your home, what are you actually selling? You're selling the material. It's the sheetrock, it's the 2x4s, it's the wiring, it's the shingles. Good news, you get to keep the memories, but you're selling the material. The insured value of your home includes that same material. So when you have a damage to your home, the insurance company is going to pay for those new sheetrock, studs, wiring, shingles, whatever the case may be. But they're also going to pay for the labor to do the repair. And in addition to that, they're going to pay for the removal of the old material that had to be repaired. So you have three factors that go into the insured value of determining the value of your house versus the material that you actually sell. Now you know the factors in calculating the insured value of your home. But have you ever asked yourself if you can determine how much insurance you actually obtain? The answer to that question, watch the video, can I choose how much insurance I want for my house?